Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can post a photo and add it to your activity status in the Strava application on Android. So let us begin. So launch the Strava application, and what you want to do guys is navigate to the home section in the bottom left and tap into that plus icon and select photos from that menu here. Next, you will be navigated to the following menu. Let me just wait for a brief moment. And after that, Strava will ask you for access to your photo library on your device. So if you're doing this for the first time, select either deny or allow, because Strava will ask you only the first time on your device after signing up on Strava and installing the app. So what you want to do is select one of the photos from your library. Let me go with the channel. Let me go with the channel icon here. Tap into done in the bottom right. And after that, you may also add some text or caption to your photo by tapping to what's going on, and then you may simply, I don't know, describe your photo here, ABC 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. And below guys, you may also allow comments by tapping into that check mark here above the keyboard. And what you want to do in the final step guys is tap into publish in the top right corner, and that is going to add the given photo to your post, and the post will then be published on your profile, so that your contacts, communities and followers may see that post with the photo on their home feed, of course. There you go, that's the post. Now that's it. Your followers will then be given the opportunity to leave comments or to leave a like. That's it guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.